Are you on the hunt for your dream job? Do you want to stand out from the crowd with a professional, eye catching resume? Well, you're in the right place. With ChatGPT, you can create an impressive resume that truly reflects your skills, experience, and aspirations. And the best part? It's quick, easy, and absolutely free. Forget about paying expensive online services or spending hours trying to format your CV. With just a few clicks and some basic information, ChatGPT can create a resume that's tailored to your career goals and designed to catch the eye of recruiters. All you need to do is provide your personal details right here inside the square bracket, educational backgrounds, work experience, skills, and any relevant certifications or volunteer work. And then let ChatGPT do the rest. It's that simple. But that's not all. ChatGPT can also help you write a compelling cover letter that perfectly complements your resume. Just provide the job title and company you're applying to, why you're interested, and why you're a good fit. ChatGPT will take care of the rest. And with this resume information ChatGPT created for me, what I'll do is I'll copy the information, go to my Microsoft Word. So after I have pasted it in my Microsoft Word or any other online builder that you want to use, you can just edit some of the information that you like to edit according to your preference. And there you have it. So why wait? Start your journey to landing your dream job today with ChatGPT. Check out the prompt in the description below and get started. The perfect job could be just a resume away.